guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today's video, we are making craft kits, keep me quiet, shut me up, stop me annoying everyone on the aeroplane kits for my toddlers because we're going on a holiday. We're off to Greece next month. It's only a couple of weeks away now, and basically I've been looking online and I found these kits where you can buy them online, and they're around about £17, where you get like a little bag or a little box or something, and it's got in some colouring, some stickers, some snacks and all that kind of stuff for your child. And there's like different age groups you can get from like 1 to 3 and then so on. Obviously my kids will be 4. Oh, she's going to be 4 before we go. 4 and 2, nearly 3. And I kind of wanted to make, I thought, well, I'm not spending 17 quid on some colouring essentially, but I wanted to make them something to have that they can put in their hand luggage, or in our hand luggage, mine or Ben's or anybody's, that they can have on the aeroplane, and then it's something they can keep all their stuff in for the whole holiday, so they've got activities to do while we are away basically. So I kind of researched a few of them and looked at different things that they put in. Some of them just have colouring, some of them have stickers, some of them have little crafty bits, some have snacks, some don't have snacks. I am going to put snacks in mine. I haven't accounted that into the price of how much mine have cost so far, but it will literally just be like a couple of packets of raisins, one of those fruit rolly things, and maybe some popcorn or something, or some mini breadsticks. So it's only going to cost probably £1 between them for all the snacks. But basically I have made my own little versions, and I thought I would show you because mine have come out at £7.48 each, so that is under £15 for both. When online, when I found them, it was £17 each, so I have essentially saved myself like 18 quid, 19 quid, and the girls aren't going to know any different. They're going to be just as happy with this as they would have been with one that I'd bought online that had cost me more money. So I will show you what I've got. Basically I wanted something to keep them in, so I found these little folders in Poundland, and they're little, got all the little things in, and these obviously were £1 each, so they've got one of these each, and I've just written their names on the front so we know who was whose, because they've got different designs of things inside. I won't show you what's in there first, I'll show you something else first. So that's what I got to put the things in. That was £1 each. And then I found these in Asda. These were £3 each. Ari's got a princess one and Mika has got a PJ Masks one. And inside you've got 2 colour your own sheets, sticker sheets and felt pens. So I am going to dismantle these and I'm going to put them in there because these are ridiculously big to take on an aeroplane. I thought they was just silly sizes for what's inside. We'll have a quick look in this one to sort of see what we get. So, sorry, we had a poo emergency. It wasn't a poo emergency. Ari just pooped on the potty and was shouting me that she'd done a ginormous poo. I had to go fix it. Anyway, this is what is in Ari's. So she has got 2 sheets of princess stickers, and then they also have 2 sheets of colour your own stickers, which I thought was really cool, so I love doing that. So these are just going to get laid out flat, and then also in here is 12 pens, and like obviously they were rolled up. I'm just going to leave them like this and I'm going to put them in the pack. So that's Aria's. Mika has obviously got the same, but hers is PJ Masks, so she's got 2 lots of PJ Mask stickers and 2 lots of colouring stickers as well. Okay, now in their little thing, I got them from Poundland. They had these crayons, so you get 48 crayons for £1, or like pencils. So they've got these, there was another pack on here, so they've got 1 each, and then there's 24 in each one, even though it says 12, but there's 24. So they're 50p, they're going in. is Mika's one. This was from Home Bargains. This is a colouring book and it was 69p. And she chose a mermaid one. They helped me to like pick what they want. I thought they may as well. I was going to do this as a surprise, but I thought I'd rather they have what they wanted. So she's got a mermaid colouring book, which is really cute. She'll love doing that. Then they've got another packet of stickers. Again, these were from Poundland, and these were 2 for £1. So Mika has got some jungle stickers, and they've got like glitter on. And then a chalkboard. We got them one of these for Christmas, and we've literally just thrown them away because they were a little bit broken in the middle where we rubbed it off so much. But they're so good for £1. You get a packet of chalk, a rubber, and then your chalkboard. And they like things like this because they can draw and then rub it out and draw and rub it out. So that's really good. And then the final thing is a holiday fun sticker activity book. It's a My Little Pony one. And it's got like stickers in it. It's got mazes, which she likes doing. And little quizzes and stuff that she can do with her nana and her granddad because they're coming with us as well. It's just stuff to keep her occupied, and this is what she wanted. She loves doing mazes and puzzles and stuff. So that is Mika's one, and it all just fits. I'll show you. We have got a pencil sharpener as well. We've just got one between them though, so that is just going to go in my hand luggage. If they'll let me take it on the aeroplane, they might not. I don't know, because it's got a blade in it, hasn't it? We'll have to see. These all fit in really nicely, and the little different compartments make it super easy to keep things separate. So yeah, that is Mika's completed one, like that. And it still does that, and it will just fit in like mine or Ben's backpack hand luggage really easily. And then Aria's, she's got exactly the same as Mika. So she's got the same chalkboard. She's got a Lion King activity book, because she loves animals, and she won't do any of the puzzles. She'll just draw all over everything and stick the stickers where they're not meant to be. If that makes her happy and that is how she lives her best life, then I'm just going to let her do it. She's got a princess colouring book that has got chili on it because she was looking at it the other night while she was eating her dinner. It's real life for you. It's got chili on it. So hers has got princesses in. There's her crayons, and then she's got some stickers somewhere. Where are her stickers? Her stickers are farm animals because she bloody loves a moo cow. So yeah, that's Ari's one. And I think that they're going to be super, super happy with them. And the fact that it was £7, less than £7.50 each. So less than £15 total for them to have this for their holiday. When, I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm sure the ones you can buy online are good. But I cannot justify spending like 34 quid on a craft pack for them for a holiday that's cost me less than 15 to make. So yeah, I'm really happy with it. I think the girls will absolutely love it. If you like these videos, please do give this one a thumbs up. If you've got any video suggestions you want me to do, please let me know in the comments down below. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.